Dorothea's about to sing a song for us. She's having a little trouble. She's coughing just a little bit. I'm going to give her a little time to get a drink of water. She's singing a song called Overcomer. A lot of times we have stuff in our life that's hard. Like I have some stuff I'm battling right now. I'm a little sick today. I have Crohn's disease. It messes with my stomach sometimes. I have a little bit of trouble. But I have one thing that I know for a fact. And I don't know if you know it. If you don't, find out. Ask Stuart. There's people around here today you can talk to. There is one person that can overcome it all. There's one person who gives me strength to still stand here today, and that's God. He is the overcomer. He overcomes everything, every obstacle I face. And I know although I'm sick and my belly hurts right now, and I don't really want to keep doing this, I'm going to do it all for the glory of Him because He's going to give me the strength to sustain me. And He's going to help Dorothea right now with her little throat as she gets ready to sing this. Bring it, Dorothea. Let's go.
If you know it, help me.
The stop sign, watching people drive by, listening to the radio. Got so much I know about, nothing really got where I'm looking for a radio home. Whatever it is you may be going through, I know He's not gonna let the best of you. He wants you to know